Have you ever marveled at the beauty of a rainbow, wondering how such vibrant colors appear in the sky after a rainstorm? The formation of rainbows is a fascinating interplay of light, water, and geometry. Let's explore the science behind this natural wonder. Rainbows form when sunlight interacts with raindrops in the atmosphere. The process begins when sunlight enters a raindrop, where it's refracted, or bent, as it passes from air into water. This bending of light causes the different colors within the light spectrum to spread out, a phenomenon known as dispersion. As the light continues through the raindrop, it reflects off the inside surface of the drop. This reflection causes the light to change direction, sending it back through the water droplet. As the light exits the drop, it's refracted again, bending once more as it moves from water back into air. This double refraction and internal reflection are what cause the light to separate into the familiar spectrum of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Each color in a rainbow corresponds to a different wavelength of light. Red light, with the longest wavelength, appears on the outer edge of the rainbow, while violet, with the shortest wavelength, appears on the inner edge. The specific angle at which the light is refracted and reflected inside the raindrop determines the position of each color in the sky. A full rainbow forms a circle, but from the ground, we typically see only a semicircle because the Earth's surface blocks the bottom half. If you're ever high enough, like in an airplane, you might be lucky enough to see a complete circular rainbow. The position of the sun also plays a crucial role in rainbow formation. The lower the sun is in the sky, the higher the rainbow appears. This is why rainbows are often seen in the early morning or late afternoon, when the sun is lower on the horizon. Rainbows are not just beautiful to look at. They're a perfect demonstration of the principles of optics in nature. The next time you see a rainbow, remember that you're witnessing a stunning display of light interacting with the world around you. Want to learn more about the science behind natural wonders? Subscribe to AI Explains It All, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to explore next.